So today we're making grand flake biscuits. We're gonna need 2 cups of all-purpose flour. We're gonna pour it in the bowl. Then we're gonna need a tablespoon of baking powder. And then we're gonna need a 1/2 cup of cold butter. We're gonna drop it into the thing. Drop in the butter. So we're gonna go ahead and mix it all together. To all combine together. Just keep moving it around. So you get the picture, y'all. Just keep moving it around and stirring it in there. Our dough is combined. So now we're gonna roll it out to a long log. And then we're gonna break pieces off to roll into balls. So now we're gonna cut with our cutter. Just keep cutting them. I make these beautiful biscuits. Now I'm gonna take each one and make it into a ball. We got our biscuit. We're gonna put it into our pan. And we're just gonna keep doing it until the pan is full. Now our biscuits are all rolled into balls. So now we're gonna put them in the oven on 350 for 20 minutes. And let's see how they turned out. Our biscuits are done. We got us some, it's hot. We got us some honey here. We're gonna just drizzle some honey on them. There go our biscuits. Ow, and them suckers are hot. Ooh. So yeah, you get the idea. There go the biscuits. Enjoy. Don't forget to like and subscribe.